Yo, what's up? So pretty much right now I'm having an issue where my check engine light is on. It's putting a evap leak on, leak code, and it's also doing something else, I forget. But basically I found out this is related to the fuel filter. Your Mazda might put off like a purge valve code. I would check on that as well because I replaced that a couple months ago. But pretty much I have torque right here, so if I ran the code, it would give me these two codes. It was giving me another one earlier, but these are the two that I'm getting right now. So I pulled off my, let me turn my car off here. I went to the back of my car and I looked under the bumper. You're supposed to have plastics right here in the wheel well, but I had to take mine off because my wheels started rubbing on them. But if you look under, you'll see a canister right up against the gas line right there, where you go pump your gas, and then you'll see, hold on, let me grab it because I already took it off. You'll see this right here. There's a little cover that goes on top, I can show you guys later. And then there's a filter that goes inside of that. And that filter is now right here, so it's pretty much toasted. So I went to Advanced Auto Parts. I went to AutoZone, they did not have it. It's not a direct fit. What you'll have to do is, you can get the same size filter, but you will have to cut it. So if you look right here, this is the cap. It's all clips, no bolts. I did have to take a couple of screwdrivers to pry this thing off, but as long as you're careful and you work at it, you should be fine. But pretty much this is the filter right now that I just got, and this is the old one. So I will have to mark it up and cut it. But once that's done, you just insert it into this. And then there, you'll see clips on this that'll connect to the gas line. And once that's done, you can put it back. It'll go all the way up here, and then you should be good after that. And then I would clear codes after, and or just wait for it to turn off. But after that, you should be fine. I'll probably have to fabricate my own splash guard for this, just because I did take the plastics off. But that's pretty much what's going on with mine. The issue why I'm fixing this is because whenever I would go to the gas station, I would pump and then it would click off, and I would pump and click off, and it would literally take me like 20 minutes to fill up my tank. And actually one time a couple months ago, it never turned off automatically, and I ended up overfilling the tank. So yeah, that was fun. It was at like 2 a.m. But if this doesn't work for me, which I'll see if it works at the end of the video, but if this doesn't work for me, it's probably my charcoal canister, which will be a fun fucking time. But I'm just trying to save some money. I went to Advanced Auto Parts. This is something you should note. I went to Advanced Auto Parts. If you go to AutoZone, if they have it, they'll probably tell you have to buy this whole thing. This goes right to the charcoal canister, and it has a little clip at the end of the tube. They'll probably tell you have to buy the whole thing, but what I would recommend, just pay the $8, cut this up, and put it in there, and then you should be all set. So I'm gonna cut this up right now, slap that in there, put the clip on, and clip it back on the rail, and see if this works. Alright, so I got the fuel filter cut. I took a little bandsaw and I just went at it. I took the old bottom of the filter and just put it in there. I don't know why, but just for extra measures, I guess. So what you want to do is take the filter, insert it back into the canister like so, and then you want these clip on. I'm gonna put might not be able to do this with one hand, well, we'll see. these little V's right here, pretty sure they line up. Oh no, these little V's, they line up because there's a little clip there. So you want to find where they were, which I forget where they were, which is awesome. No, I'll find it. But let's see. Oh, there's long clips and then there's short clips. So you want to line up those. This is the long one and then this is the short one. And then you have the short hole and then you have the long hole. So I want to do that. I'm gonna put the camera down real quick. Let me see. I don't think I cut it small enough. So I got the Foley seat on. So pretty much this is the new filter now. See if I can do this before it starts pouring on me. I'm just gonna slide under the car here. Oh God. I'm not wearing any, but make sure you wear glasses because you're gonna get a shit ton of dirt in your eye, which is fucking great. Oh God. I'm pretty sure, yeah, the canister was facing down, so that's the orientation that you want it. So the tube's gonna sit on top, and then it's gonna clip onto that rail with those small clips that it has on the side. So I'm just gonna do that real quick. Keep getting crap in my eye. And then there's little, just trying to get the clips on right now. I got that top clip that's on the canister on. This is more of a see with your hand real thing, because you don't want to get your face directly up in there. Alright, so that's pretty much how it goes. The canister's right there. Let's see if I'm missing any more clips, which I don't think I am. No, I'm not. Just hope that it doesn't fall off. There was a zip tie on this when I took it off. I'm pretty sure that's from when the last owners did the job. I don't know, maybe it wasn't staying right. Since I don't have, this cover that's supposed to be here, the plastics for the wheel well, I'm probably gonna wrap this in aluminum foil, I think, as like a temporary fix or something. But I will have to get a splash guard for it. Maybe one of the ones for air filters or something like that. But pretty much now I should be able to go to the gas station and fill up my tank without it stopping, hopefully. I'm gonna see how my car will start up. See if it runs any codes. probably have to clear them first, yeah. So I'll have to clear them and drive it 50 miles or so, and then go from there. Let's see. I love my exhaust. Love it. Clear faults. Okay. Okay. We clear faults on goods. Alright, shut the engine off. I want to see if something comes up immediately. If not, then I'll just have to wait. Requesting comfort codes. And nothing. So hopefully that worked. Cause I literally looked for an evap leak everywhere and I could not fucking find one. And an exhaust leak, I could not find an exhaust leak either. So hopefully that did work. And you know, everything should be fine. So like, subscribe. Trying to get up on my Instagram game. I've been going to all these meets around Mass, the Mass area, New England area, NR Conde. So that's NRCONDE_photography. I've been posting a lot of pretty dope pics over there. So this is my piece of shit garbage dumpster that I beat on. It's not a Mazda Speed. The last time I put a speed wing on it, but I know it's still a fun car. I'd rather have a non-turbo right now, just because I don't really want to do anything to it much. But it's got a Magnaflow exhaust, 2.5 inch all the way down, MSDS headers, equal length, with no cat. So it's like 2 more years, and then it's actually legal. And then XXR rims. I'm missing one on the other side, but you know, it's fine. It's all good. It's just plasti dipped on. You know, plasti dipped all black, which is actually fucking chipping. So just got a speed of a 6 Mazda 6 rim on, and I plasti dipped it right before I fucking went to a meet, and then ended up like this after the rain. So that was fun. I only had enough for one layer, so I can't bitch. But we got a lot of plans for this baby. But yeah. So hopefully that fixed it for you guys. Just let me know in the comments how you did, and hopefully a code doesn't show up on my car later. See ya.